Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make sketch animation video for YouTube on a laptop. Start by choosing a sketch style and sketching a short storyboard to map scenes. Set up your laptop with a responsive drawing app, configure canvas size and frame rate, and organize layers. Keep assets named clearly and save incremental versions. These steps keep your workflow smooth and save time during animation and editing. Begin by setting canvas size and a frame rate that balances quality and performance for your laptop. Capture key poses or frames to establish timing and motion before refining drawings. Use onion skinning or low opacity guides to maintain consistent movement across frames. Work in short segments of 5 to 15 seconds to avoid fatigue. Export quick preview renders to verify motion and pacing, then refine drawings and in-betweens as needed. Once animation passes a motion check, import it into an editor and align frames with voice or music. Clean up rough lines, add fills, and apply simple shading to boost contrast and clarity. Consider subtle camera moves and easing to make motion feel natural. Add a short intro and outro with consistent branding and a clear call to action. Export using YouTube-friendly settings to preserve detail and avoid heavy compression.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.